Look at situations from all angles, and you will become more open. In this yoga tutorial, we will go over upright seated angle. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get flowing. Start by sitting upright, lifting your chest and extending your legs forward. Draw your feet towards the pelvic floor, bringing the bottom of your feet together in Baddha Konasana tutorial up top. Wrap your big toes with your index fingers, bring both feet off the mat, and extend your legs up in opposite directions. Maintain your chest up and your focus in front of you as your chin is parallel to the ground. This will engage your core to find your center of gravity. Avoid rounding up your back to avoid falling out of the pose. Feel your core engaged, your thighs and your calves. This pose will help you build strength in these muscles and will also improve your balance as you keep your posture straight, elongating your spine. In addition to building strength, this pose increases flexibility in your hamstrings. Upright seated angle will help you improve your concentration as you focus on keeping everything engaged to stay balanced. If you're new to this pose, practice with one leg extended at a time to work on your flexibility. As that becomes easier, try incorporating the second leg and working on the balance. If you want to practice with both legs but can't quite straighten them, practice this pose with your knees bent. Avoid rounding up the back as you don't want to lose the integrity of the pose. Remember to exercise patience as you continue practicing. From my heart to yours, Namaste.